Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video coming from Body Cam Files, and the title is How to Turn an Uber Ride into Your First Felony. Wow. That's crazy. We got Uber involved? Let me find out, boy.
Uber passenger. I know this guy personally.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, should have taken a lift and not an Uber. Hello.
Hi.
Jamie?
Yeah?
Hey, I'm Corporal Hughes with Mount Door Police. The reason we stopped you is your license is suspended.
My license is suspended?
Yep, your driver's license.
Since when?
I can look up the date, but it was pretty recently. Fair to pay traffic fine, so you had a ticket or something.
I shouldn't have any tickets.
You do, yeah. So, second question, do you have a medical marijuana card?
I do not.
Okay, how much marijuana is in the car? Because it's evident that there is marijuana in the car. So if you're honest with me, I can work with you, but if you lie to me, it's going to make it worse. So is there weed in the car?
I've got an empty bowl in here.
That's it?
That's it.
Nothing else? Nothing on either of you?
Well, I just call it, this is an Uber. Can I just call another Uber?
Well, you're part of the traffic stop now, unfortunately, so you're not in any trouble right now or anything, but you're part of the traffic stop, so. You're Uber driving right now?
Yes.
Okay. All right, do me a favor, just come out of the car for me.
Hey. So the Uber you ordered just got pulled over.
Can you leave everything in the car for me, please?
No, apparently she has.
You can take your phone, but leave everything else in the car. Leave everything else in the car.
You're not getting my wallet. Sorry about your damn wallet.
Okay. How about this? How about you can turn around and put your hands behind your back?
How about you don't touch me because you have absolutely
You're going to go to jail then.
No
Yep, turn
right.
around.
No.
Turn around.
No.
Turn the fuck around. I'm going to make you turn around.
No.
Okay.
You have.
It's like when you already in the wrong, why make it worse? Like, I don't understand it. I really don't understand people. You see this stuff all the time. Like, the guy, simple instructions. Leave everything else in the car. You can bring your phone, right? Because they're probably going to lock you up. But when you go down there, they're going to let you get some phone numbers, you know, so you can make a phone call or whatever the case may be, because no one remembers numbers nowadays. So, but she talking, sorry about your damn luck. Like, just think about that statement right there. Like, do you think by saying that is going to better or worsen your situation? Just that statement alone, it's like, okay, things are about to get worse.
Turn around. Turn around.
You have
You're gonna make me
no
fucking take you to the ground.
right. Check the wallet. There's nothing
You're gonna make
in
me
it.
take you to the ground.
No, check the wallet. There's nothing
Just grab-
in it.
just grab
I
this
do
here.
not want you to have my damn
Grab this one.
wallet.
All right. Put your hands behind your back.
I need to make a phone call first.
I'm gonna put you to the fucking ground. We'll figure it out, but you're making it worse. Put your hand behind your fucking back.
Yo, do y'all hear the sound? Y'all hear the sound? The ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding. That's the Uber sound. So she actually isn't lying. At first, I thought they were lying. Like, she's really driving Uber? That's crazy.
Please slap my handcuffs. I got her hand now. If you... What is it that you're trying to hide that you're doing this?
Dude,
Is
you're
there
being an asshole for no reason.
Is there drugs in the car?
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout-outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members-only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
No, but you are being an asshole for absolutely no fucking reason.
I think you're the
That
one
is
being the
why.
asshole. She's got a little rude soon. Go this.
Done being dicks.
Hey.
Yeah, when you're done going to jail.
Arrested right now.
Should be good. Just take her to the back. Just pat her down. Don't throw in her
Leave
pockets.
my wallet on the ground.
Yeah, we got a long way to go. So we're gonna go to the car. So you,
I didn't know that was on.
but you did this to yourself. Just put her in the back and we'll finish searching her.
Shit.
Do you want me to take her phone out of her person?
Yeah,
Can I
please.
please make a phone call first?
You
I
want to
really
sit forward a little bit?
don't know the phone number by heart, or it.
Hey Meta, take a photo.
At least write a phone number on my hand, please.
We'll let you do
I
a phone call in a
really
minute.
need to. No, listen.
Don't put your foot back in the
my
car.
Son,
Put your foot back
my
in the
son
car.
is at home with someone.
Okay,
Please.
give it-
Okay, we will
Put your
let you
foot in
make
the
the
car.
call, but because of what you're doing, you're making it worse.
I don't think that's the only 31.
No, she's acting like there's something else in here that she's mad about.
Well,
Hey.
I'm familiar.
Just do me a favor. You can get out. You're not in trouble or anything, but if you could just get the ID to this officer right here. Your ID if you have it. 360 to 432. We're on 19 in front of Boulevard Tire. Do you have your ID? Just give it to him real quick.
No, I don't actually.
Okay. He'll just get
but
your-
Like I said, I'm just a passenger. I can show
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
an Uber
yeah.
passenger.
I know,
Like,
but
my brother's on the way right now.
yeah, I understand, but because there's drugs in the car, I know it's a
But
kind
you
of
don't even know if there's drugs in. I'm not trying to argue.
No,
with you, sir.
we've already gotten drugs from the car.
Oh, okay.
So you're not in trouble. We just need your ID just to say you're in the car.
All right.
In this
Paper.
case,
91686. I'm gonna call my brother real quick.
Oh my God, it should have been nothing.
Yeah, I tried to get a hold of you before I had an Uber ordered for me, but apparently her license was suspended and I guess she had drugs or something. I know. I just told them that too. Like it's an Uber driver for me.
So, I know this guy personally.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's always got signal 31 Charlie.
Okay.
So,
Well, I don't know how you feel about it.
oh, that's cold for he got that work on him.
Yeah, they just got my name and everything.
all right. Do me a favor. Just hang up the phone real quick.
Yes, sir.
All right. Step over here to the vehicle, front of the vehicle, and you place your hands on the vehicle.
Can I ask what's going on?
Right now you're getting searched.
For?
Do you have anything on you that I need to know about? Drugs, guns, weapons, money, needles, anything that I need to know about?
You're on speakerphone, Weaver.
This is the one time to just answer truthfully.
I'll consent to it, sir.
Okay, well, you've just been in a car that we found drugs
Okay,
in.
but I'm an Uber. I can show you. I'm
Okay,
an Uber.
well, I'm just going to go ahead and search you, okay?
You still on speaker? All right.
Give me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir. You're going to jail.
Yes, you are.
You heard me?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
I'm talking to my brother.
Okay.
Are you behind on child support? You got a civil one for you. What did she say?
Said 1048.
Yeah.
That's what's in my bag.
MD458 Lake. Is that out of Lake County? 26.
Hey, you might want to put some gloves on first.
Yeah, I don't have any, especially. Yeah,
Just hold tight. I go.
Yeah.
I'll go get some seatbelts.
especially in that pocket.
Honestly, I don't understand, bro. Like, these guys are dumb, bro. Dumb. You know how much time he had by himself, like alone, without, because they were all dealing with her? Bro, you could have dropped that in the car. You could have, Like, bro, like, it's on you? You dumb, bruh. This guy deserve to go to jail, bro. Like, you dumb, bro. Dumb, bro. You had mad time by yourself, bro. All the cops was dealing with her. And you still got the stuff. She already going down for drugs or whatever she got. Hey, oh well. You drop that shit in there. Oh, hey, it is what it is, right? Like, you still got this stuff on you. You must be an idiot. You want to go to jail.
One stop. I'm gonna have a bird. It's gonna be like.
Yeah, I'm gonna come on you.
I'm gonna have a bird.
Yep. There you go.
What's up?
31.
He's in there released for robbery.
You got a bag I can put all this in?
What is it?
31 Charlie.
Good? Oh, wow. Jesus. Alright, I'll get it back. He doesn't have any guns, right?
You don't have any guns, weapons, or anything on you? Knives? Alright.
Want to swap inside?
Yeah. Just pull this out of his pocket. Scale.
So, can we help you out?
That's my brother.
Yeah, I know he's your brother, but what
Is there anything that I can do to help him right now?
Right now, I mean, he's going to be transported to the jail, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, you can't even talk to me about the case, can you?
No, not really. I mean, just...
How are you? Good. How are you guys doing?
You know, early.
Yeah. I just got off of work. I didn't even know he was looking for an Uber. Otherwise, I'd have picked him up. But is he in trouble? Like,
You know, he had a purge. He had a
child support.
He's got one of those, but he also has a little extra stuff in his pocket.
Oh.
So
How bad is that?
felony. A little cocaine.
All right. So all I can do is talk to the bond's office right now.
Yeah, just call the bond. It'll be a few hours to get out. So
He's going to go to the Lake County Jail.
All right. I'm sorry, guys.
hey, it's your bad. Should have taken a lift and not an Uber.
Hey, his brother chill, man. His brother chill, man. The cops is chill. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, should have took. Hey, that's one of them bars right there. I ain't gonna lie. Should have took a lift, not an Uber. You hear me? Uber be hot. You know what I'm saying? Yo, he's sick. I know he tight, boy.
Holy fucking shit.
She's in my car. She was kicking it. If you just make sure she doesn't break my shit.
Kick in the back?
Yeah, she was kicking my car.
You want me to go back and check?
No, I'm just saying.
Hey. So I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to give you one chance, okay? I'm not going to give you multiple, so hear me out. You were moving around a lot in the car. Did you stuff anything inside your body? You know, okay. Because if you do, give it to us now.
Pulled out of my pockets.
Let me talk. Let me talk. So, because when we're going to the jail, right? They're going to do a body scan, and if they find anything, it's going to be a felony, right? So, okay, I'm trying to save you from a felony charge, okay? So if you have anything on you, let me know now, because it's going to be, if you go there and you have anything on you, right? It's going to be a felony charge for introducing it, plus whatever you're bringing in, okay?
Listen,
Okay.
I got nothing on me.
Okay.
I really have a 7-year-old son at home.
Nope, that's fine. We're gonna.
I don't know.
That's fine. We're gonna let you call. We're gonna let you call.
I
Okay.
understand they give you calls at the jail, but I don't.
No.
know the
I'm
number.
saying
I need-
now.
I need the number
I'm saying
on
now.
my phone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Where's your phone at?
I need to get this with you. Pat. I'm being arrested. I'm in Lake County.
Lake County Jail.
Apparently, my license was suspended. Never had any fucking violations, but apparently my license was suspended, and they're arresting me over petty marijuana.
We're arresting you because you're a jerk. Why? Can you move away?
Or because I'm a jerk.
You resist arrest.
Because there was no reason to arrest me.
No, there's multiple reasons why you're arrested.
Alright. I needed to let you know, Pat.
They have a new bond schedule, so we really don't know what it's going to be just quite yet. But when she gets the one phone call, she can let you know. But
I'm gonna have to call my mom. I don't know your number by heart, so I'm gonna have to call my mom and.
I'm gonna pass you over, okay?
Alright, can you guys leave her car there and let me go and pick it up so she got a mess with the trophy?
No, unfortunately can't. We have to tow it.
Oh, come on, man.
I'm sorry, just per our policy.
If I hurry up and get there?
No.
I know it's not. I know it can be done.
I'm sorry, man. I wish I could work with you.
She's not even going to have the money to get out of jail. You're going to impound her car? She's a single mother of a child. Literally.
She shouldn't be traveling around with drugs on her, okay?
And marijuana's not a drug, sir.
Did you just say marijuana's not a drug?
Marijuana is not a drug.
It is a drug. Alcohol is a drug. Okay, sir. I can't budge on it. Per my policy, I have to tow the car. I have no other options. I have to do that, and I'm not getting hemmed up. Okay. So, per my supervisor, the car is being towed.
You're a complete prick. Now I understand why.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go.
Jamie was charged with obstructing an officer, driving while license suspended first offense, and possession of marijuana under 20 grams. Brian was charged with possession of cocaine, possession of marijuana under 20 grams, and possession of drug equipment.
Just a bunch of idiots, man. Honestly. And they probably knew each other. You know what I mean? Like, probably. My guess would be they knew each other. Or, because for him to be sitting in the front, that's a little... I've done Uber before, and some passengers do like to sit in the front, but... I don't know. Maybe bro was trying to, get him some or something. You know what I mean? I don't know, but I don't know. Something just don't feel right about that case at all.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.